by Q-Tip, Angelina Love and Velvet Sky. They are the Beautiful People.
Earlier tonight, we could see that it didn't sit well with Kurt Angle when Booker T told him that the money from his paycheck during Angle's one-week suspension was being used to buy new suits for members of the TNA frontline. Kurt vowed to take back his property, and we just saw exactly that. He mauls Consequences Creed and rips the suit right off of his back.
Well, that's one thing you've got to respect about Kurt Angle. I mean, he does what he says he's going to do. He said he was going to get his property back, and he did. And then that being said, let's enjoy the view of the Beautiful People entering into the ring. Good camera work.
And is the TNA Women's Knockout Champion, Awesome Kong!
The heated situations among the TNA Knockouts. Front and center during this four-way tag team match. Knockout champ Awesome Kong, Raisha Saeed, furious that Sojourner Bolt became Kong's #1 contender and that Sojo recruited Raka Khan to join her as they made their split and broke away from the Kongtourage.
Team number 3, first from the Isle of Man, Raka Khan. Her tag team partner from Memphis, Tennessee, Sojourner Bolt.
The opportunity to take a shot at the Knockout Championship. Just too strong of a temptation for Sojourner Bolt. She gets her chance at Kong at Destination X.
Team accompanied to the ring by the Governor from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Taylor Wilde. Her tag team partner from New Orleans, Louisiana, the Hardcore Knockout, Roxy.
Well, Taylor Wilde wised up this week and brought back Roxy as her partner. Don't know what she was thinking last week when she teamed up with Madison Rayne, but you know, I want to talk about this Sojourner Bolt Raka Khan situation, Mike. I mean, here's somebody that, to me, just made a bad move. Think about this. You're on the inside. You get to get as much information of Awesome Kong as you can. I mean, you can learn everything you want to learn because you're in camp with her. And now, by separating yourself, you have put yourself in a bad situation, and plus, you kicked off Awesome Kong to boot, and that's the last thing I'd want to face at Destination X is a ticked-off Awesome Kong.
You said that you don't know why Taylor Wilde would try to help somebody like Madison Rayne. You know, I guess I wouldn't expect somebody like you to understand when a person with experience takes someone who's green under their wing and then they just end up getting stabbed right in the back.
Well, you know what they say about opinions, and you know what? Everybody has one. But you know what? Let's just rise above all that. Let's call this match.
Hardcore Knockout Roxy in representing her team against Sojourner Bolt. You see from outside, Angelina Love of the Beautiful People with the kick to the back of Roxy. That enables Sojo to go for the slam and right into the pin, but the Governor's up. And the Governor has the attention of referee Slick Johnson.
Well, speak of the devil, look who's walking down the ramp, Madison Rayne. And you gotta wonder what's on her mind and on the mind of the Beautiful People.
And we are back on Impact MHD, the continuation of this four-way knockout tag team match. Beautiful People, they're in total control right now as you see Angelina turn it over to Velvet.
I mean, you have to be impressed with the Beautiful People, the last few weeks especially. I mean, ever since they were embarrassed by the Governor and Taylor Wilde and Roxy, I mean, them along with Q-Tip have really got their game in the best form imaginable, and they have really been stepping it up, especially Velvet Sky.
Got to agree, nobody likes being humiliated on national television, and we have seen the Beautiful People looking for revenge in recent weeks.
Speaking of revenge, you know Awesome Kong's going to be looking forward to Destination X to get her hands on former Entourage member Sojourner Bolt. We haven't gotten to see her in action here thus far, but you know she's just chomping at the bit. You can see Raisa Saeed. Here she comes.
What a boot from Roxy into the face of Raka Khan. Then down goes Saeed, then down goes Sojourner Bolt, and there's a big forearm shot to the chest of Awesome Kong, and hardcore knockout Roxy tried to follow up in the corner, got sent down by Awesome Kong, and now the double team with the beautiful people. Oh, look at Sojo get tossed out to the floor by Kong.
Well, you saw where Kong went. I mean, she had radar focused right on Sojo and just went right after her. And I'll tell you what, there might not be nothing left of Sojo for Destination X.
Roxy shot across by Angelina and Velvet. Puts on the brakes, answers back, first with one boot, and then clothesline off the ropes. Oh, Roxy gets to her feet, gets decked by Angelina, and here comes the Governor into the action.
Well, everything just broke down, and the Governor here sneaks in while the referee's distracted. There's no place for in this matchup.
Governor just hit the Thriller from Wasilla on Angelina Love. Gonna set it up here for the Voodoo drop from Roxy. Oh, instead she gets kneed right in the face by Angelina. Madison Rayne comes down from the ramp and hits Roxy with a missile drop kick while the referee was distracted by Cute Kip.
I mean, she waited, perfect timing. And there you see the lights out by Angelina Love, and that's what I'm talking about, the beautiful people. They have stepped up their game.
Beautiful people!
Well, if we ever had any doubts about who Madison Rayne was aligned with, I think they've all been answered. Madison Rayne, 100% with the beautiful people. Let's get an update from Jeff Jarrett. Take it, JB.